So in today's video is a styling series that I wanted to start by styling my athletic build legs, how I like to slim out my legs, give them the shape and look that I want through clothing. I went back and forth on whether doing this video or not because one, I do have very helpful tips for this. It's something that's relatable to me and I feel like I can really help, but I also don't want it to come across as this is something that needs to be hidden. This inspiration is for those who want alternatives to fitted clothing around the legs for comfort and just for preference. And again, I wanted to point out that insecurities are normal and they absolutely do not need to be covered. But for some, ideas on how to style around and drive attention away from an insecurity can be helpful. So that's why I wanted to make this video. That way you can feel more comfortable in the clothing that you're wearing if your main focus is specifically your legs. And I'm petite with a athletic build body type. And personally, I feel more comfortable wearing clothing that kind of just slims it out, conceals the legs a little bit, specifically my calves. So I just really hope this does not come across the wrong way. So I wanted to really highlight this disclaimer. My favorite wardrobe piece to slim out my legs and calves specifically, slim straight bottoms. And I specifically want to point out around the ankle of these bottoms, you want to make sure it gives an actual straight look. There's a lot of bottoms like jeans, pants that will kind of taper in around the ankle, and I'm not sure why that is exactly. I think maybe the width around the calf has to be wider or to have that complete straight look, especially if you have wider calves. Sure, it's actually a true straight leg, so when you stand, it doesn't actually taper in around your ankle because then that can actually emphasize your calves. So a few examples here, these Quince trousers I feel like give a really good straight leg fit for me. Trousers from Quince have been my favorite because they are fitted around my hips and thighs, which is my preference for bottoms, but then past the knee they have a perfect straight look. I give that illusion of slimmer, more straight legs because it's not tight around my calves and accentuating where my calves are, where my ankles are exactly. I'm not one to follow trends, and this one specifically I noticed has been going out of style, but truly I don't care because this is just something that I feel great in and that's comfortable for my body and gives me the look that I want. Do you love a cropped bottom? Specifically just above my ankle bone. I mean, the ankles are the most slender part of the leg, so if you have that little sliver exposed, especially while you're wearing straight bottoms or a maxi skirt or maxi dress, it actually gives that illusion of slimmer legs because all you really see is the ankle, which again is the most slender part of your leg, so it gives that illusion, which is so neat. And on the flip side, I actually love bottoms, and I've been leaning more and more towards this, that it's full length but almost kisses the floor, just not quite, but just a little bit above the floor, and then you can wear a heel with it to make your legs look and appear longer. And then I would recommend specifically opting for the wide leg fit because again, you don't see where your calves are, and then you're actually covering your ankles, but you're just giving the illusion of one long line, and especially in that more looser flowy fit can be very, very flattering. Then when it comes to skinny jeans as well, I still love skinny jeans, and I know this actually accentuates athletic legs, which honestly I'm fine with. I love a good skinny jean. I have days where I just want to highlight everything. As long as I feel great in it, it's all that matters. But skinny jeans definitely accentuate athletic legs because you're hugging everything there. If you want to show them off in that way, that's fabulous. But if you want to seal it, opt for a wide leg, straight leg fit. Platform shoes, I really think are a petite's best friend and women who have athletic built legs, especially if you're a combination of those two, like me, for example, short with athletic legs. Platform heels not only give you those extra few inches in height, but they actually are so flattering if your legs are bigger built. The illusion of a more slimmer appearance, and especially if you pair this with, again, slim straight bottoms, wide leg bottoms. A-line fit shorts are a fabulous option, honestly, for any body type. I think it's just such a beautiful fit, but fitted at the waistline, and then it tapers out, flares out around your hips and thighs, and this is a much better option instead of going for a short that is tight all around your thighs, because this will actually accentuate your athletic build legs versus going for for A-line fit that's looser around your thighs, you're balancing something that's looser and bigger but still fitted at the waist. Therefore, it just gives that illusion of slimmer legs because you're wearing an item that is a little bit looser and more relaxed around the thighs. When I discovered this, I literally cannot go back to other shorts. I used to wear shorts that were so tight around my thighs, distressed, and this just really accentuated everything. Not that that's wrong, but I definitely wanted a different look. And I love the A-line fit short because not only is it classy and it reflects my style, but then I feel really beautiful in it during the day. And same thing goes for Bermuda shorts. This is something I have always avoided. Need more exposure in the leg, especially. Feel like it really shortens me and really emphasizes my athletic legs. It's just, for me, I feel like it's a completely unflattering style for myself. So I definitely like the shorter shorts, looser fit. And the Bermuda shorts stop around your knee or a little bit above your knee. So it's just not enough leg exposure. That skin exposure that is shown are your knees and your calves. So it really emphasizes it. Mini dresses like I'm wearing today here, I think it's really flattering. It's around mid-thigh for me. It gives me a little bit of a shape. I mean, mind you, I am 25 weeks pregnant, so I'm just kind of working with what I have at the moment, but I feel really pretty in it, and it has like a slight A-line style, which is really flattering, and have enough leg exposure at the same time to where I feel great in it. It goes for midi and maxi skirts and dresses. Absolutely flattering. You have athletic build legs because again, you're creating one long vertical line, which is not only very petite friendly, but very flattering for your legs. And then if you go for, again, a maxi style, I mean, you have everything covered. Or if you have a midi style, just make sure it's below calf, because if you wear a midi style that hits mid calf, that will definitely enhance and accentuate your legs. Also, one fabric that I've noticed that really gives that slimming look, legs and just your figure in general, silk or satin. That thinner, more shiny, silky, drapey fabric, I've noticed looks so beautiful on anybody. And again, it has that luxe and luxurious look, but I've noticed that these styles very flattering on women and give that more slimmer appearance. Last but not least is longer outerwear. I think when I am styling my petite body type, my more athletic built body type, I love very long outerwear, especially if it hits low calf. Just one long vertical line. I think it's incredibly flattering, and especially if you pair it with slim straight bottom. Whether I'm wearing something mini like this, I'll either wear an outerwear piece that's around the same length as the mini style, or if I'm wearing long bottoms, I try to make sure the outerwear piece I am opting for is below my calf or are below my calves. Some outerwear pieces are to my knees, which I think that's fine too, but I notice the styles that I feel the prettiest in are just really long outerwear pieces that are mid-thigh or cropped. We'll bring it to the end of this video. I hope you found all of these tips and suggestions very helpful. Again, insecurities are normal, don't need to be hidden, but for some, they really help and feel their best. These are tips that help me look and feel my best. And in case anyone is in the same boat, I want to be that helpful resource. I mean, I share tons of styling tips for bigger boobs, short height, and I just love helping women that are in the same shoes as me, that also want to look and feel their best. So I just share what I have learned with you guys. You can take it or leave it. I do hope for those that are interested in this topic, I really hope it was helpful for you guys. So anyways, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.